Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Tinder account without a phone number. So if you click the create account button and if you choose any of this method, you'll find out that you need to enter the mobile number. So in this video, I'm going to show you the solution how to solve this problem. I'll show you two methods. The first one will be paid method and the second one will be free. So let's begin with the paid one. We will use this SMS activation service. It's called sms-activate.org. I will leave the link in the description. If you will be interested in, you can use this website. It works 100%. You can create unlimited Tinder accounts without any problem using this website, guys, and it's totally safe. First of all, you need to create an account on this website. Then you should click the balance and you should go to top up balance, and you can use any of these methods to deposit money on your balance. And after you will have the money, you can buy a mobile number for Tinder. To find the mobile number for Tinder, you should first of all you should scroll this down. Here you will see the Tinder. So click the Tinder, and here you can see that there are plenty of countries, almost every country. So, and they have got different prices. For example, Estonian number costs 37.5 rubles, Spanish number costs 450 rubles. That's a lot. United States number costs 52 rubles. So there are different prices. I'm going to take the cheap one. So Romanian number is cheap. It costs 10 ruble. So you can try Romanian number. It's a cheap option, or you can find any other numbers, guys. If you don't know the exchange rates, let's go to Google and let's find out how much is 10 rubles in USD. As you can see, guys, 10 rubles equals about 13 cents, and for 13 cents we can create a Tinder account. So let's click this buy icon here across the Romanian number, and we bought this number. We can use this number for 20 minutes. And don't worry, guys, if it won't work, we will click this X button here, and the website will refund our money immediately, guys. So we should copy the number and we should go to Tinder. Let's click create an account. Let's choose the email address. Let's enter the email address. And now we should find Romania in the country list. And let's enter the number. We should remove the country code because it includes the country code. And let's click continue. And now we should wait for the code which we will receive here. Right here, guys, we will see the code in a few seconds or in a few minutes, guys. As you can see, guys, in just a minute we received the code. So let's copy the code. Let's go back to Tinder and let's enter the code. So let's click I agree. You should fill all of the information and you can activate your account. So this is a simple way to create a Tinder account without a mobile number. So we will use this website to buy a mobile number, and then we will create the Tinder account. And now I'll show you the free method how to create a Tinder account for free without a mobile number. But this method is a little bit harder, and I will explain you why. First of all, you need to go to Google and you should write free SMS activation. And here you will see a lot of websites with this free service, guys. So let's open a few of them. So you can see these free mobile numbers. You can try any of them. There are plenty of this kind of websites and this kind of numbers. You can use them for free, but it's a little bit harder to create an account with these numbers because you know that a lot of people are trying to create accounts with these free numbers, so they're a little bit spammy. So you need to find the right number which is not already used, and it may take some time to find that right number, guys. So you can test both of these methods. So that's all. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click the like button. Likes are super important for me, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.